how to download and install the VSDC free video editor software. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download the VSDC free video editor software, which is a free software which you can use to edit videos in your Windows 11 computer. So the first thing that we need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser. So currently, I will be using the Google Chrome to demonstrate this. So once I am inside my Google Chrome, you need to search for the VSDC free video editor download. So once you have searched, simply hit the enter button and you will see these results. So the first result which says download VSDC free video editor from the official website, and the official website, as you can see here, is videos of dev.com. So videosoftdev.com is the official website of the VSDC video editor. So simply click onto this first link and it will lead you to the official VSDC website right here. Now from here you have these options according to the operating system. The first one says download video editor for 64-bit version of Windows, and then it is the 32-bit version for the 32-bit architecture, and then the third we have the iOS version of the video editor. So from here you can see that the latest version is the version 9.4, which is around 116 megabits. So to download the latest video editor for the 64-bit version, simply click onto this first button right here. And once you will click the button, you can see that a download has begun for this video editor x64.exe. So let us wait for this download to finish, and then we will attempt to install the VSDC free video editor in our Windows 11. So as here you can see that a download has been successfully finished. So let us click onto this open button to open the installation process. So it might ask you for permission, onto which you need to click onto the yes button, and then it says select setup language. Currently I will be choosing English. So after that, click onto the OK button, and then it says welcome to the VSDC free video editor setup wizard. So simply click onto this next button right here, and then you need to agree to the license agreement for using this software. So to do that, choose the I accept the agreement option and then click onto the next button, and then you again need to click onto this next button, and then from this particular page you can determine the download and the you can determine the installation location for the VSDC's video editor. So currently in default it is set to the C drive, or if you want to change the drive or the folder, then you can click onto this browse button and choose any particular folder that you want. So currently I am keeping it to the default option, and then I will click onto the next button. Now from here it says setup will create the program shortcut in the following start menu folder. To continue, click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. So I will just simply choose the next button, and from here I have some additional options which include to create VSDC free video editor desktop icon, and also a capture desktop icon and a recorder desktop icon. Since I don't want the capture and recorder desktop icon, I will be only selecting the first option. And then there is also an option to associate project file types with VSDC free video editor. Since I do not want this, I will also uncheck this, but in your case you may let it remain checked. So then you need to click onto the next button and then click the install button. Now here you can see that it is currently extracting the files, and once the files will successfully get extracted, our VSDC free video editor software will get installed into our system. So let's wait for the same, and here you can see that it has automatically redirected me to the VideoSoft Dev official website, which says thank you for choosing VSDC. Simply minimize or close this, and you can see that the setup has finished installing VSDC free video editor on your computer, the application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcuts. So if you want to launch the VSDC video editor, just after clicking onto the finish button, just select this check mark and then click onto the finish button. Once you will do this, you can see that the VSDC free software has successfully launched, and let us wait for it to open its video editing interface. And here you can see, simply close this, and from here you can see that this is the interface of the VSDC software, and you are all ready to create a new project or open any new project. So that's how easily you can download and install the VSDC free video editor for your Windows 11 computer. So if this video was any helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.